In this video, I'll show you how to fix your YouTube videos not showing up in search results by enhancing your YouTube channel's visibility. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe below. Also, liking this video helps it reach more people who might benefit from these tips. Fixing a YouTube channel that isn't showing up in searches enhances its visibility, making it easier for new viewers to find and increasing traffic and engagement potential. Firstly, let's check where your channel currently ranks. Open Chrome or any of your preferred browsers, then make a right-click and choose Incognito or Private Browsing mode to get unbiased results. After that, search for your channel name to see its true ranking. Next, head to your channel by clicking your profile icon and selecting Your Channel. Then, navigate to the About section. Whatever you write here, you have to highlight your channel name prominently as well in bold. To do this, just click Customize Channel. Then go to Basic Info and naturally integrate your channel name into your description. For example, just write, "Hello, I'm Media Magnets, explore my channel," and click Publish when done. Another SEO tip is to add variations of your channel name to your channel tags. Go to Settings, then Channel, and enter these variations separated by commas. When everything is done, just click Save. Apart from that, you can boost your video's visibility by including your channel name in video tags and descriptions too. Simply navigate to Content, select a video, and edit details to add your channel name there. Don't forget to click Save after that. Lastly, search your channel name directly in YouTube's search bar. If it doesn't appear, click on Filters and then select Channel. Now, your channel should show up for sure. Remember, these updates might take some time to reflect. Patience is key. Ultimately, growing your subscriber base and engaging viewers are the most effective ways to signal relevance to YouTube. I hope you found these tips helpful. If so, consider subscribing and liking this video. Additionally, visit my website at MediaMagnetGuide.com, where you'll discover numerous helpful tutorials and resources covering a wide range of topics.